Hello and namaste. We Rotary Club of Tinao City from the top of the world and land of Lord Gautam Buddha. Situated in the south of the Himalayas, Nepal is a country that can offer anything you can imagine. From historical temples to a wide range of adventurous sports. We welcome you to visit Nepal and enjoy skydiving from Mount Everest. Watch our unique sports, elephant polo, and learn more about living goddess Kumari. Special festivals of Nepal. Dasai, the festival of blessing. Dasai is not just a festival but is part of every Nepali life. This is the longest as well as the greatest festival of Hindu in Nepal, traditionally celebrated for 10 days. Goddess Durga, symbolizing the strength and bravery, is worshipped during the Dasai. This symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Dasai is festival celebrated by placing tika and jamara on forehead where family members return home, fly kites, buy new clothes and many more colorful processions. Tihar, Festival of Light. Tihar in Nepal is also known as Deepavali, is the second most celebrated festival in Nepal after Dasai. In this festival, people not only worship the gods and deities but also honor and worship animals like crows, dogs, and cows with the belief that it will bring happiness, success, and good fortune to our life. Moreover, for the protection of brothers from all the evil and to pray for their long life, Bhai Tika is celebrated. Bhai in Nepal means brother. Gai Jatra. Gai Jatra is a festival celebrated in Nepal, mainly in Kathmandu Valley by the Newar community. Jatra in English means street festival and Gai means cow. Cows are the primary focus of this festival because people believe cows are the one to guide souls during Gai Jatra. Anyone that has had a family member pass away is supposed to lead a calf during the festival. Buddha Jayanti. Buddha Jayanti is a special day for both Hindus and Buddhists in Nepal. On this day, people celebrate the birth and enlightenment of Lord Gautam Buddha. He found sorrows and desire that are the leading cause of all the evil and suffering of every living being. Born about 543 BC, Lord Gautam Buddha is the light of Asia. Only some know about the original name of Lord Gautam Buddha, which is Siddhartha Gautam. Eid al-Fitr. The festival of Eid al-Fitr, also the festival of fast breaking, is an important religious holiday celebrated by Muslims in Nepal that marks the end of Ramadan. For many Muslims, Eid al-Fitr is a festival to show gratitude to Allah for the help and strength He gave them throughout the month of Ramadan to help them practice self-control. Staple food habits. We Nepalese don't have a complicated diet. First of all, dal bhat is one of the main staple food of Nepal. It consists of steamed rice and cooked lentil soup called dal. Next is sel roti. It is a mildly sweet bread made with rice and few spices. You can make batter easily, but shaping the sel roti was quite a task. Dhido, combined with guntruk, is regarded as the national dish of Nepal. Dhido is traditionally prepared from ground buckwheat or millet, whereas gundruk is fermented leafy green vegetables. Unique traditions. Now, focusing on our unique traditions, Nuaran is a child naming ceremony celebrated in Nepal. In the Hindu tradition, the Nuaran is celebrated on the 11th day of birth. A priest visits the home to give the child a name according to the baby's birth detail and the corresponding horoscope. Pasni or Annapasan is the rice feeding ceremony celebrated in Nepal. During this celebration, a 6-month-old child is fed solid food for the first time. Vratabandha is a religious ritual performed by the priest before the boy becomes a teenager. The boy is saved as a part of the ritual, stripped almost naked, afterward dressed in a new suit and a white scarf. Bel Bivaha is a ceremony in the Newar community of Nepal in which pre-adolescent girls are married to the bel. Bel is a type of fruit. Spoken languages. For any nation, languages plays a vital role in human connection. So we will share about languages spoken in Nepal. Nepal is a multilingual country with a total of 123 different languages. Although the official language of Nepal is Nepali, some languages like Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, Tamang, Magar, and Newari languages are widely spoken all over the nation. Tourism places in Nepal. Pasupatinath Temple. Pasupatinath Temple is a Hindu temple on the bank of the holy river Bagmati in the Kathmandu Valley. It is dedicated to a manifestation of Shiva called Pasupati, Lord of Animals. Pasupatinath Temple is also listed as a World Heritage Site. Mount Everest. Mount Everest mountain on the crest of the greatest Himalayan of the Southern Asia that lies on the border between Nepal and China, and 27 degree 59 minutes north, 86 degree 56 minutes east, reaching an elevation of 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, being the highest peak of the world. It is also known as Sagarmatha, meaning peak of heaven. Tilicho Lake. Lake Tilicho is one of the most attractive trekking destinations of Nepal, which passes through some of the prominent places in Annapurna region, with the highlight of the trek being Tilicho Lake at 4,920 meter altitude itself. Chiton National Park. Chiton National Park, established in 1973 AD, was Nepal's first national park located in southern central Tarai of Nepal. Is also a home to more than thousands of species of flora and fauna. Here are some of the most endangered animals like one-horned rhino and Royal Bengal tiger. What makes our country unique? Nepal is unique in every aspect, from our double triangular flag to our common belief of unity in diversity. The very first thing which you will notice about Nepal is different from the rest of the world is its flag. Unlike every other country's flag, it's not square shaped. Our national flag is the world's only non-quadrilateral flag that acts as both the country's state flag and civil flag. Nepal is regarded as a country with unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is a concept of unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation. In the context of Nepal, people believe that every citizen must give equal priority to the people though they are from different religion. Nepal is the second richest country in the water resources after Brazil, with as many as 6,000 rivers with beautiful waterfalls. Right now, our country Nepal has met not just its own electricity needs but also serving energy hungry to neighbors like Bangladesh and India. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Rotaract.